What is up, guys? Future Merv here.
What are you talking about?
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 Just trying to shed some light and make a quick, brief interruption on this video. Just want to quick 30 seconds tell you that this video was actually filmed way back in late 2019, but I had to take it down for actual legal reasons. I won't get into it too much, but this video was always, these videos that I do, these reviews and stuff, are filmed on an undisclosed locations, very low-key remote and everything, but because the car that I'm showcasing this video was so loud, rowdy, blah blah blah, the locals basically made a complaint, and then, you know, the feds got involved. So I had to take down the video, but everything now is all resolved and blah blah blah. Don't worry, I'm okay. The driver's okay. There's nothing to worry about. So just letting you know that this video is actually from the past, but I took it down literally within a week that it was up. So most of you are new subscribers anyways, so yeah. Anyways, enjoy this video. It's one of my favorites. Anyways, guys, take care. Bye.
Be careful, huh? Give gas, let off slow.
Oh, he got it. He got it.
He got it.
I went to find him at the airport, you know, as a kid.
Oh wow.
Smooth like a kitten.
Hey, what's up, guys? Merv here. I'm with my buddy Nid.
What's up?
It's also his birthday today, so happy birthday to you, Bev.
Thank you.
So yeah, we're back here with another ride along, and I don't know if you can hear me that well, but I'm gonna let him basically give you a quick rundown on his car and what he's got going on.
Okay, so basically it's a 2014 Mustang V6. Yes, V6, not a 5-liter V8. I know. It's like when I went to buy the Mustang, I made sure to have the package, like, you know, the 2-cylinder delete package for truck weight reduction.
Check.
So that was it. And you know, at my age, V8, insurance, blah blah blah. I don't need to add up. So it's Procharged. It has full exhaust, BBK headers, BBK off-road X-pipe. No cats. I'm not much of a cat person. I'm more of a dog person. Just to say. No cats. Have welded resonators on and 2 Magna flows in the back. Basically 4 sets of resonators.
Yeah.
They don't count as mufflers. And Amiga's throttle body. It's BBK's throttle body too. And then aesthetic wise, there's a lot, like the hoods, GT500 Cervini grill, the lip GT500 Cervini too, side skirts are Roush, and RTR back, like how, and then wheels, like
It's a mix of a lot of stuff, yeah. And the wheels you got on this car, what?
The black diamond wheels.
Black diamond.
It's a very rare brand. It's like basically flow foam wheels.
Okay.
It was kind of pricey, but not that bad. And it's a US made company.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotta keep it USDM. Also, you wrapped this car too, right?
Yeah, that's right. This summer, like just YouTube, you know,
Mm-hmm.
DIY.
There you go.
Bought a wrap, bought the tools, went at it, fucked up like for quite some places, and then got pretty good at it. It looks good unless you know, like you're a wrap person, you're gonna notice the imperfections and stuff.
Yeah, but like I said to you off camera, I mean, for your first time, you did pretty decent.
Yeah.
I mean, like, and like, you're the type of guy that you like to work on your car, and only if you really can't do it to your ability, that's when you'll probably bring it to a shop. Like, story about how back in your home country that they didn't have Mustangs and stuff. So when you came here, you said that the first car you wanted was Mustang.
Not the first car was like, it was like one of those dream cars, you know, like those dream cars that you know you could afford it
Like
one
an
day.
attainable
Yeah.
car. Okay.
So I was like, yeah, I'll get one day. I came here, got my license. I started with a Toyota Corolla, 2010 Toyota Corolla.
Oh shit.
Yeah. And then after that, I went directly to a 2012 Mustang, a V6 too. The other one was like a full-on like premium package.
Okay.
I had only like the only mod I had was like I think it was Dynamax mufflers.
Okay.
And then after I traded in for this 2014 Mustang. It's a base model, but it has whoosh noises.
Yeah, that's it. And something that's pretty cool is that he's had this car appear on famous YouTubers' channel quite a few times when he's come here in Montreal to visit us. Yeah, you can just go around. That dude in blue, David Patterson, he drove your car, essentially, right?
He drove my car
3
3 times.
Yeah.
Well, every single year he came, like he drove the car. We'll go on the drag strip, have fun with it, just do burnouts.
I'll post a clip somewhere in this video of him doing it, but
Bro, we did everything we could. You guys satisfied? Yeah. Alright, let's go check in.
yeah, that must have been pretty cool.
That was nice. Like he's one of the most humble guys I've ever met. Like as a YouTuber itself,
Yeah.
very down to earth. Like he was more like a friend to me. Like because of the third year he came, I didn't even see him. He came in and recognized me. He's like, "Oh shit, how are you going?" He's like, "Oh yeah, where's the Mustang?" I'm like, "Oh, it's over there." He's like, "Oh, we'll drive it after." I'm like, "Yeah, that's it."
That's
He's like
pretty
a buddy to me now.
That's cool. Obviously you have a lot of things done to the car. Is there still more things that you would like to do?
Yep, the
Yeah.
project never ends. Like right now, I'm supposed to be like around 420-ish, 25-ish wheel horsepower.
Okay.
But the thing is, like, I have a 2-piece drive shaft, and they're known like to break in 2 pieces over 200 kilometers per hour.
Oh.
We don't do 200 kilometers per hour on the road. Safe.
Yeah.
You know, like we have some bloody bastard waiting with us.
Bloody fuck.
Yeah,
Bloody
they're
bitch.
waiting with us with a gun. You know, we need to run away like lady.
Like lady, huh?
Yeah, run away like lady.
Fuck, man.
I don't know you are doing like this. I think you are going to accident.
No, shouting at me no good, man. Me no shout at you.
But the thing is that, what you think if you do like this one, you are going at work and somebody else
But
do
that
like
one,
this.
if you running like that one, you gonna fucking fall, innit?
But
Hurting yourself.
But yeah, because of this I saved myself.
That one very icy road, man. Okay, have a nice day.
Yeah, basically I need a drive shaft, single piece drive shaft. I need to change the gearing too because I have very long gearings right now. I have 2.73.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I'll probably go to 331 or 315. I won't go higher because of boost.
Okay.
Like if it was an NA car, you could go like 410s, 373s.
Mm-hmm.
But because of boost, I'll probably go 315 or 355.
Okay.
Around that area. And then what else? Oh yeah, I need to get the car retuned properly. And probably bigger injectors, fuel pump booster. Keep on going straight, right?
Yeah. Keep going.
Fuel pump booster. I already have a smaller pulley for more boost. Why not?
So you're trying to go for like the 500 wheel?
Close.
Okay.
Because my buddy in Toronto, he has a same setup. Him has smaller pulley and everything.
Yeah.
But he has cats, and he doesn't have the throttle body I have. He made like 492 wheels horsepower. Yeah,
Wow.
around 492 wheel horsepower. But he has a whole kit, water mat injection and everything.
Oh my god.
That's my goal too. So
That's
then,
pretty crazy.
yeah, this rip. Like so far this car has been good to me. I only had one big issue, like I was telling you, my axle joke piston.
Yeah.
That was it. And in the beginning of the ownership of the car, like the car was misfiring a lot. Like I had spark plugs problem.
Okay.
Like it was throwing codes every time I used to get on it. Like it would like misfire like big time. But right now, knock on that. Yeah.
Yes. That's good. Yeah, I heard these Cyclone motors are pretty reliable, and
Yeah, you could actually beat the fuck out of them.
And they're like pretty underrated too, because obviously most people, they think Mustang, they think the V8 or whatever. And I'm sure you were sad when in what was it, 2017, when they killed off the V6 model Mustangs.
Yes,
and
I was sad
kept the
about it.
EcoBoost ones.
Like the V6 one, it sounds good, but it has a weird sound to it.
Yeah.
I'll let you describe how you feel it sounds like.
Yeah, it's a very weird mix of different sounds. Like I guess you would call it the American VQ, but
Kind of.
like it idles, like you said, like kind of like an LS or something, or but with the Procharger whine, it's like it throws me off. Like it doesn't sound like your typical V6 Mustang, if you want to say that. Like it doesn't sound like a trumpet.
Yeah.
It sounds good, but like, no offense to you Z owners or whatever, but like, I don't know.
Yeah, so
it's
that's
weird.
what I was saying. Like the V6 sounded like decent, but the 4-cylinder, like the newer ones,
Yeah.
I don't know about the sound.
Here we go.
Should I wear my helmet just to be sure?
I mean, if
Track
want
day, you know?
to. Track day, bro. Oh my god. Might have to adjust the seat. Alright, so this is an upgraded clutch, right?
Yeah, stage 2 plus.
Okay, so I'm gonna. Oh my god.
Go second.
What?
Go second gear. Don't forget it has long gear, so you're ready like
Yeah,
right now you're on third gear. It's gonna pull, but it's not gonna be like worth it.
I don't know. Okay. You have a short throw on this car?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's very, very short.
Yeah, it is. Shit.
Forgot to mention it in the video.
I love the freaking. He has this like freaking like dead dummy arm kind of thing in the front of his hood, and it just every time it comes to a stop, you just see it like this. Yeah, it's like it's waving at people. It's so good. Different compared to like both my cars. And the boost, when does it kick in usually?
It's around 3,500-ish.
Okay.
It's around 10.5 PSI of boost. Yeah.
Pretty cool. And the Procharger, is it similar to the one that David has? That dude?
Yeah, it's the same head unit, just he has a different bracket for like mounting it on the Coyote.
Okay.
But it's basically the same head unit, like it's a P1SC. It's like the basic kind of like a head unit you could get from Procharger. They have the same one for the Coyote application, Dodge Ram, Camaros.
Oh.
Like it's kind of like a universal head unit.
Okay. That's pretty cool. I like Prochargers. It's like you literally get the mix of both, like
Yeah.
turbo and supercharger.
But the only bad side of the Procharger is that you don't have the torque like hit of a regular road style supercharger.
Okay, yeah. Honestly though, I think I'd prefer it with the whoosh than the whine, because with the, I don't know. I mean, you still get it a little bit.
You get it whine, but it's like
it's stuck like that now.
you didn't brake hard enough.
Oh my god.
Keep on going, don't shift. Why did you shift?
Sorry. There's a person here.
Bloody bastard! Why you drive like lady?
Fuck, man!
Fuck, man! Why you fuck me? I fuck you!
Fucking.
Bitch, fuck you! Bloody fuck you, bloody! Fucking mother, bloody fuck, bitch!
Oh my god. Okay, let me try it. No. There we go.
At this speed, you could even go first gear if you want.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
First gear too, you could bring it to rev limiter.
Alright, gonna turn. It's not my car, man. I don't want to.
It's okay, go ahead. Go. Short shifting.
Yes. There we go.
I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed.
Wow. Well, my heart is going like a million right now. Fuck. Adrenaline, fuck. Fucking shit, eh?
Fuck, man. Have a nice day, have a nice day.
Okay. Oh my god. Ah. Well, this car is wild, man. Thank you for letting me drive it.
No worries.
It's crazy. But, yeah, do you have like an Instagram or something if you want people to
Yeah,
follow the V6, eh?
That Mustang guy.
Yes.
Link in the description or username in the description?
I put
whatever.
screen and description. Everywhere. Everywhere on the screen.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, thank you. Thank you for being on the channel. It's really cool. And guys, if you want to see more content, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Try to post videos at least as much as I can. The season's almost over, so I'm trying to get as much cool cars as I can before it's out, man, before we all start going into depression. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Peace out. Keep moving forward.
Fucking running like lady, eh?